Tai Chi is a form of martial art and exercise that originated in ancient China. It is a gentle, fluid movement practice that incorporates deep breathing, meditation, and body awareness. Tai Chi has gained popularity worldwide because of its numerous health benefits. Here are some reasons why Tai Chi is good for you. Tai Chi can improve your balance and coordination. Balance and coordination are essential for overall well-being, especially as we age. Tai Chi improves balance and coordination by enhancing proprioception, the ability to sense one's body position and movement. This is especially beneficial for older adults who are at risk of falling. Tai Chi movements involve shifting weight from one foot to another, which helps improve stability and balance. Regular Tai Chi practice can also enhance neuromuscular control, which reduces the risk of falls. Tai Chi can reduce your stress and anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common problems that can affect our physical and mental health. Tai Chi is a great way to reduce stress and calm the mind. The slow, mindful movements of Tai Chi promote relaxation and reduce the level of the stress hormone cortisol in the body. Tai Chi also promotes mindfulness, which helps to calm racing thoughts and increase feelings of inner peace and tranquility. Tai Chi can boost your immune system. The immune system plays a vital role in keeping the body healthy and fighting off infections. Tai Chi has been shown to boost the immune system by increasing the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off pathogens. Some studies have shown that regular Tai Chi practice can also help to reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to various chronic health conditions. Tai Chi can promote your cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. Tai Chi has been shown to improve cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and the risk of heart disease. The slow, gentle movements of Tai Chi promote better circulation, which helps to lower blood pressure. Tai Chi also improves vascular function and reduces arterial stiffness, which are important markers of overall cardiovascular health. Tai Chi can promote your joint health and flexibility. Joint pain and stiffness can be a common problem, especially as we age. Tai Chi is an excellent way to promote joint health and flexibility. The slow, gentle movements of Tai Chi promote synovial fluid production, which lubricates the joints and reduces stiffness. Tai Chi also improves range of motion and flexibility, which helps to reduce the risk of injury and improve overall mobility. Tai Chi can improve your respiratory health. Breathing is an essential part of Tai Chi practice, and it has been shown to improve respiratory health. The deep diaphragmatic breathing of Tai Chi helps to increase lung capacity and oxygenation, which is important for overall health and vitality. Some studies have also shown that Tai Chi can improve symptoms of asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. Tai Chi can enhance your cognitive function. Cognitive decline is a common problem as we age, but Tai Chi can help to enhance cognitive function. Tai Chi promotes neuroplasticity, which is the ability of the brain to change and adapt over time. Regular Tai Chi practice can improve cognitive performance, especially in areas such as attention, memory, and executive function. Tai Chi is a gentle and effective practice that has numerous health benefits. It promotes balance and coordination, reduces stress and anxiety, boosts the immune system, promotes cardiovascular health, enhances joint health and flexibility, improves respiratory health, and enhances cognitive function. Whether you're young or old, Tai Chi is an excellent way to improve your physical and mental well-being. If you would like to learn and experience the many benefits of Tai Chi, please visit our Body Wisdom channel where you will find hundreds of health and wellness videos, including Tai Chi videos. Please subscribe if you want to see more content about improving your health and wellness.